Yeah, guys. Just woke up, uh, and reviewed my campaigns and checked a few things. You can tell from my throat. Um, First of all, I just got to refresh this. I don't know if the money even went up. Just gonna refresh this a billion times. I'm gonna right click, reload. You understand? I never said I'm giving any coaching. I do not offer coaching. I do not offer mentorship. This is the reasons why I do not offer nothing. You can see in this group, you can see another scammer. The same person is asking about native ads, is the same person saying I'm a scammer, right? I feel sorry for people like this. Feel sorry for them. They will never achieve nothing in life. They are miserable, right? So, let me just sign out because I still know some people are like, okay, this could be fake and stuff. I'm gonna sign back in. I'm gonna grab my phone. And I'm gonna pop in the code. I'll keep this under 5 minutes, hopefully. So, the only reason I make this kind of videos is to enlighten people that anything is possible. I repeat, to enlighten people that anything is possible. You can see my name. Call me what you want to call me. I'm making money. Feel me? Feel me? You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna go into clicking campaigns and anything. I'm recording this video a bit early, so I will try my best to edit the video within the next 5-10 minutes. Just keeping it simple. Okay, so I can tell you basic things like the traffic sources you could go experiment with. Because the experiment means you got to go spend money on traffic and do some tracking, right? You got to do some tracking. I'm going to see if I could quickly log into volume and show you some stats. Just bear with me. I'm going to pause this and log into volume. All right, now we are inside volume, right? So, you can see I got two volume accounts. I got this one and I got this other one, right? So you can see the date, December 18th. Refresh. Oh, see 115 now. So, conversion just popped in. You see volume. This is one of my major accounts. So I'm going to go through the dates, right? Go through the dates. I started using this account, I think about April. So April till, what's today's the 18th? So April to 18th is about 7 months, 8 months. I don't know. This account has done over 200 grand. In fact, I think it's not even correct. I think I can even say June because volume only holds about 6 months data. Volume holds only 6 months. This is going to probably the same amount of money, the same $200,000. Yes, you can see. That means the money I made in June, we can't even see it because volume only holds 6 month data. So if you use volume from January to June and you get to July, you do not see the statistics for January. So volume holds only 6 months data. So whatever you're seeing here is just 6 months. I've made way more than this. This other account is a newer volume account. I got this account about 30 days ago. You can see just $4,000 30 days ago. And you can see the countries I'm running: US, UK, Canada. You know, this other one: UK, Canada, France, Australia, Germany, that kind of stuff. So anyway, I think the only dates are gonna be shown. Oh, let's check. Let's say July. Let's say July to August. Let's say 60 days. And how much I made in 60 days? 104. You feel me? In 60 days. You understand? So this is not a brag, right? This is not a brag. This is just to show people that, you know, you can make money by yourself. You can make some money. You understand? So anyway, I wish everyone happy holidays. Stay safe. I just woke up now. So think what you want to think. If you're smart, you know what to do. You know, this business requires testing, not running your mouth on the internet. It's just life. Only 3% make it. It's just life, you know. Out of 100 people, 100 marketers, only 3 are going to make it. Only 3. So I know these groups have 15,000 people, 50,000 people. It's only 3% that's going to make it. The rest of the others are going to be haters and people that run their mouths. I do not sell no coaching. God bless you. Stay safe.